In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Uber payment method. We'll keep this simple and clear using Uber's mobile web experience. You can follow along on your phone or a computer browser. The goal is to reach your wallet and remove any card or payment option you no longer want on your account. First, open your browser and go to muber.com. This is Uber's mobile site, and it works even if you don't have the app installed. If you're prompted, sign into your rider account so you can access your settings. Once you're in, you should see the main Uber home screen. Next, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. It usually looks like a small person silhouette or your account avatar. There's a small drop down next to it. Click that drop down to reveal more options. This is where Uber keeps quick links to your account and settings. From the menu that opens, select Wallet. The Wallet section is where Uber stores your payment options, credits, and vouchers. Think of it as your central place to manage how you pay for rides and deliveries. Inside Wallet, you'll land on or see a link to payment methods. Open payment methods to view everything you've added to your account, like credit or debit cards, PayPal, or other regional options. You'll see each payment method listed with a label and sometimes the last few digits for easy identification. If you have a linked payment method you want to remove, click Remove next to that specific item. Uber may ask you to confirm, and once you do, it will be taken off your account. If you don't see Remove, or it's grayed out, it often means that method is set as your only active payment option or it's tied to an active feature. In those cases, Uber may require at least one valid payment method to remain on file. If the option is controlled by a business profile or organization, it might be managed by your company and not removable from your personal side. Also, make sure you don't have an ongoing trip or a pending charge, since that can temporarily block changes. That's it. You went to muber.com, opened the drop down beside your profile icon, tapped Wallet, entered payment methods, and removed the payment option you no longer need. As a quick tip, double check upcoming rides or scheduled deliveries to ensure they're set to a payment method that still exists, so you don't run into any hiccups later. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to keep your Uber payments tidy and up to date.